guys, welcome to PMCLounge.com. This video is not related to PMP as such, has nothing to do with PMP. So if you've been studying about your PMP exam, go ahead and do that. This is just a vlog. I received a question on the devices that I use, the equipments that I use to create these videos. Now, I'm not a YouTuber as such. My videos are more towards the PMP content itself. I typically use a laptop and a presentation or a PDF to share the knowledge basically. I'm not walking around with heavy camera equipment to shoot these videos, but then I thought it would be a good idea to kind of shoot what I use, very minimalistic equipments that I use, and that is what I'm discussing in this video. Like I said, if you're studying for your PMP exam, go ahead, do that. Don't waste your time on this video. This is just a vlog. Alright, let's get down and let me show you the equipments that Alright, so where do I begin with? This is all the equipments that I use. So a couple of smartphones basically. Any video that you see which includes me, which features me, just like this one, is basically shot on a smartphone. I don't own any heavy camera equipment as such, so they are shot on my smartphone. Now how do I set up this smartphone? So this is basically a tripod, a small one from Amazon. This is basically an Amazon Basics. I'll share the link to all these equipments in the description below, so if you want you can order that for yourself, and if you want to kind of start a YouTube channel for yourself, you can do that. So this is just an Amazon Basics a tripod stand, and then this is the holder for the smartphone. So if I want to, let's say, shoot from one of my mobile phones, I'll just use this one. This is known as the smartphone holder. Basically, this is from Arkan, a company called Arkan, and I ordered this from Amazon.com. So I'm not sure if it's still available, not from Amazon.in. So this is how it fits in. So you can kind of fit your smartphone like this, and you can start shooting. And then this can be this can fit over your tripod. Doing that in the video could be a bit of a hassle, but let me give it a try. So this is how you kind of fit it in, and once it's fit, you can lock the tripod and you can kind of done away with it. So you get the idea. I'm not wasting your time on kind of showing you how to do that. It's a child's play, right? So once you're done with this, once you're set up with your smartphone on the tripod as well as your the smartphone holder, you can lock it in, and that's how it goes, right? So you can lock it in and you're all set. Then for audio, it's important to have good audio, right, in all the videos, and for that I use this microphone. This is from Rode. It's called Video Mic Me. So this is from this is made in Australia. Rode again is a good company. So all this does is it fits into your headphone jack basically of your phone, and then you can you're all set to go, right? And then this is, of course, a lot of people call this a dead cat. I don't know why, but this is sort of a device which helps you when you want to shoot outside and you don't want the noise of the wind blowing on your videos, right? So you can use this, and this basically cancels the wind if it's blowing, right? If you're shooting anywhere outside. I seldom use this because I'm most of the time shooting indoors. So that's the entire setup that I have. Like I said, most of my videos don't even include me, don't even feature me, because I'm typically kind of only displaying a presentation or a PDF or something of that sort, and not myself. But on the videos that you see me, these are all the devices that go in. These are all the devices that I use. Alright, so these were all the devices that I use. Hope you liked this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned how I create these videos on one of them where I am featured. Other than that, that's all pretty much that I have. Hope you're already aware that we have moved from PMP Lounge to PMC Lounge. Our new website is PMCLounge.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, which is youtube.com/PMC Lounge, and check us out on our social media, facebook.com/PMC Lounge and twitter.com/PMC Lounge. As always, don't forget to check out the website PMCLounge.com, your #1 free resource for PMP certifications and other project management certifications, as well as project management industry information. Thank you and have a nice day.